What's up, Kavari crew? Welcome back. So I just woke up and I just cleaned my bathroom. That's all I've done today. And I'm meeting up with Rachel. She's downstairs for us to work out. So you guys really liked when I showed you some of my workout in my last vlog. So I'm gonna do that again for this vlog. So I'm not sure what area we're gonna be training today. We did arms last, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna do like legs. So yeah, I'm sure she's here because my phone just went off. So I think, yep, she is here. Okay, she's here and my shoes are not on, so I need to get on that. These are the ones I always work out in. And yeah, let's go work out. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
So we are just starting out with a little warm up on the treadmill. I'm going really slow because I'm recording, but gotta do like a 6 or something.
Get it, girl. Just keep your neck aligned. So look down, and then as you come up, just basically don't move your neck. Just keep it going, like the direction that you're facing is where your neck is going. Focus on it. Activate the butt cheeks. See I'm squeezing them. Squeezing from them right away.
You guys hear that? My neighbors are being so loud. But I just finished up at the gym. Actually, I didn't just finish up. I finished up like an hour ago. And I'm so mad at myself because my camera died. So you'll see, like, I'm showing you guys the workout and then boom, it just like cuts off because my camera died, and I'm just such a bad YouTuber. It's because I wasn't planning on vlogging today. Usually when I like plan the vlog, I put the battery in the charger the night before, but I didn't do that. So I was like, oh, I'm sure I have enough battery to film this. I didn't, and it died. But you guys saw a lot of it. So what I did was I did that same sequence and then also the abs that I showed in my last vlog. So we added that, and then I did that set 3 times, and then every time we did it, we just added more and more weight. So that's pretty much my workout. And then I came home, cleaned, because this house was crazy messy. Well, in my book, it was crazy messy. So I did some cleaning, and then I took a body shower. By the way, I actually got this robe in a PR package from Huda Beauty, and you guys know my obsession with silk robes. So when I saw this, I was so happy. I love it. It's really pretty, like, pink color. But I'm just about to eat something real quick because I'm starving, and I actually made a really delicious meal with HelloFresh yesterday, and I'm just gonna eat some leftovers of that. But I made this delicious, like, couscous. I've never made couscous before, and this is so good. It has like cherry tomatoes in it, and then also these like grilled vegetables. See, this is why I get the 4-person plan, because I'll have some for leftovers. So on HelloFresh, you can get a 2-person plan or a 4-person plan, and then you can also pick if you want a classic meal plan, the veggie meal plan, or the family plan. I always get the classic plan because I eat meat, so I like to get dishes with me. But this one actually was vegetarian, which is nice. So in the classic plan, you'll also get vegetarian dishes as well. So yeah, and then also this like grilled cheese. It looks really weird in this bag. Literally only took me like 30 minutes to make. So they're convenient, they're fast, and they always taste really good. So I'm gonna insert the clips of how I made it right now so you guys can make it at home if you wanna try it out. So this is the dish I'm gonna be making. This is za'atar crusted grilling cheese. Here's everything you're gonna need to make this dish. We have 2 zucchini, we have a lemon, Mediterranean style grilling cheese, basil, couscous, and then we have 2 packs of cherry tomatoes. You guys know my love for tomatoes. Red onion, and then we have the za'atar spice. We also have 2 packs of sumac. In Farsi we pronounce it sumac, but I know in America they call it sumac. And then we have 2 of these cute little packs of veggie stock concentrate. Also, I always like to keep the bag on the side so I can just throw my scraps as I go, so the cleanup will be a lot easier. So step number 1 says to just wash and dry all the produce, turn on the oven, cut the zucchini. First I'm gonna turn on the oven to 500. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of ASMR. Who knows, maybe I'll do a full cooking video in ASMR. Let me know if you guys want to see that down below. But a little bit more about HelloFresh. It is now from $6.99 per serving, and they're now America's #1 meal kit. So that's really dope. And also, I do have a code with HelloFresh. It's Nazanin 60. So get started with 6 meals free. That's 2 free meals in each one of your first 3 boxes. Just go to HelloFresh.com and enter Nazanin 60 for a total of $60 off. Look at all these beautiful fresh ingredients, you guys. And then it's set to take one of the wedges of onion and mince it for the couscous. So now we're gonna go ahead and pop the zucchini and the red onion into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm gonna toss it halfway through. We're just gonna be drizzling this with a little bit of olive oil, and then the sumac and the salt and pepper. Oh shoot. Now we're moving on to the couscous. So I just have a pot of oil heating up, and now the oil's burning because I'm talking too much. I just dumped in the 2 packs of couscous with the onion, and we're just gonna toss this for about 2 to 3 minutes just so the couscous is toasted. And then we're gonna be throwing in some water and the vegetable stock and letting that cook for a little bit. It's been a few minutes, so you can see our couscous is nice and toasted. So now I'm gonna dump in 1 cup of water and the 2 packs of stock. That sounded amazing. So I'm just gonna mix it around and then let this boil. Shouldn't take too long. We have this simmering, and I'm gonna move on to the cheese. So I'm just going to take this and cut this up into 4 pieces. So that was a lot harder than I thought. I only have 3 slices because this is what happened to my 4th slice. I have some olive oil heating up on this pan, and we're gonna be taking each slice of cheese and dipping it into the seasoning. Like, we're gonna be pressing it onto there and then throwing it onto the pan for a few minutes. So here's what the cheese is looking like when you take it off the pan. It looks a lot more burnt on camera than it does in person, but it's like more golden in person. I just transferred it from the pot to a bowl. So we're gonna toss in all the tomatoes and half of the basil. And we're also gonna throw in the lemon zest and some lemon juice, salt and pepper. I'm gonna plate one to show you guys the finished product. So I just put a little bit of that mixture on a plate. Come on, is this centered? Okay, that's centered. The zucchini and the onion. Oh my god, I feel like I'm on Chopped right now. Today, chefs, I've prepared for you a Mediterranean-inspired couscous. And we're gonna put the cheese on top. Top it with a little bit of basil. A lemon wedge. Wow, the sun is so bright right now. But yeah, you guys know how much I love HelloFresh. I just finished eating and now I'm working on my makeup. But I feel you guys know at this point, I don't have to keep talking about it because y'all just know me and HelloFresh are like this. It just helps me get more creative in the kitchen, and I love how easy and convenient it is. Like, you guys, one thing about me is that I hate going to the grocery store, especially now that I live like in my own apartment. Like, lugging in all those bags, taking them up the elevator and the stairs, like it's just such a process. So I love how HelloFresh comes straight to my door. I have all the ingredients I need. I don't have to worry about forgetting anything, and I have like the exact amount of the portion. Like, if I need some weird crazy ingredient, I'm not gonna go buy a big jar of it just to use it once for a recipe, you know what I mean? And I'm just drinking one of these drinks right now. My trainer got this for me and she really put me onto this. This is called Celsius, and it says healthy energy, accelerates metabolism, burns body fat, all that stuff. But I just think it's really good, so I'm just drinking that right now. But anyways, I feel like I'm gonna rewatch this footage and the lighting is gonna be like crazy. I'm gonna be like, why did I record this? But I'm just getting ready because I am doing some spooky fun Halloween festivities tonight. So I am going to a pumpkin patch with Yasmin, Mel, Carla, Cayman, Mel's friend Shamar, and Luis. We are going to this really cute Halloween pumpkin patch. Can these shadows like go away? So you guys saw on Instagram, if you didn't see, I'll enter a picture right here. But Mel and I were a mermaid and a sailor for Halloween. We went to this Halloween party. It was like for Urban Decay and Crispy. So we went to that one and we posted a picture in those costumes, and we were like, you know, we want to wear something else. Like, we already posted a picture in that one, so we wanted to, like, you know, wear something else. So I really love my ringleader costume from that Windsor video. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll put a link down below. Mel rated my Halloween costumes, but I really wanted to wear that ringleader costume, and we were trying to think like what's something that Mel could wear that could match a ringleader. So we're thinking of like circus themed costumes, and finally he decided to be a clown, but not like your typical clown. He wants to be like, he wants to put his Mel twist on it, like more like a villain in like an action movie. He calls it a sophisticated clown. He's kind of making up his own thing. But yeah, we're going to the pumpkin patch first, and then we're gonna change at Carla's house and get ready, and then head to the party after. So yeah, I'm really excited for tonight. I'm just doing my makeup. I need my makeup to be long lasting because you know it's gonna be a long night. So I like powdered down like my whole face, and I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. That's actually my Halloween costume. I'm gonna finish up my makeup, and then I will catch up with you guys probably when we meet up with Carla and Cayman and Luis, and we head over to that pumpkin patch. It's kind of far, it's not close by, so it's gonna be a little bit of a drive. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So I just finished getting ready for the pumpkin patch. Just purple, black turtleneck, jeans. What you wearing, y'all? Jeans, sneakers. Is that meshki? No. What's the top?
I don't know. I've been buying so much clothes like recently. I don't even know where this is from. I think the sky.
Subtle flex, subtle flex. And Shamar got his Halloween costume last minute. Him and Mel went to the store.
He's a gorilla.
Show them your costume. Oh, that's a full gorilla costume.
That's actually very scary.
I'm just waiting for Mel. Can you believe I'm ready before Mel is? Like, how does that even happen? How does that happen, Shamar?
I mean, he was in the shower, he had to get ready, you know?
What did he have to... Okay. What kind of tacos are those?
Steak.
Ooh. J-Lo and Ja Rule.
We got J-Lo and Ja. I need more.
Mel is a clown. I did this makeup in like 10 minutes. Don't judge it, y'all. Then Yasmin's wearing the alien from my Windsor video. And we have Danny Phantom. He sewed that D on like before, like in 2 seconds.
I was like sewing it on my body.
We got circus themes in here.
you know.
This should be
Fam.
no, y'all. Mel be looking like the man when he go out with me and Yas. I swear. Don't you, babe?
I just say y'all both my girlfriends to protect both of y'all.
Guys, look who it is. Oh shit. I missed her.
Got her hair braided.
I'm Laura Croft. Look at me over here, and we got the other.
I love y'all's costumes.
So this is my costume. I have grenades that go here, but they're over
Super
there at the
cute.
moment.
She got her hair braided.
Y'all,
We
I
both
feel-
got our hair braided.
I feel like I'm in a video game. We're gonna look like this all day. We're gonna go.
I know it's so early in the day and y'all are already in costume.
We were like in the elevator. We're like, Happy Halloween.
Oh my gosh, guys. These are the shorts that came with her costume, and these
Yeah.
are the ones from Windsor that I wore in my circus outfit.
Yeah, this did not fit.
Oh
me,
my
bro,
gosh.
And I got a medium.
You're
just
what?
Like, this is a medium.
It's not just that, they're just very like short in this way.
Yeah.
You know how like back in the day, like in the early 2000s, that was the trend to wear like super low waisted stuff. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. I didn't show that much of the party because again, who wants to whip out a camera at a party, you know what I mean? So I just showed you guys the things that I put on my stories. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. But I really hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope to see you again for my next video. And of course, happy Halloween to everyone. I don't know if this video will be up today because Halloween is today, but if it is, happy Halloween everybody. Let me know what you're gonna be down below. Love you guys. Bye.